How to say Happy New Year in Greek. Happy New Year. Ef-tee-xee-sme-nos ο ke-nour-yios χρόνος. Happy New Year. Ef-tee-xee-sme-nos ο ke-nour-yios χρόνος. Now you try. You can also say Χρόνια πολλά. Happy New Year. Χρόνια πολλά. Now you try. You can also say, Hope you have a fantastic year. Σου εύχομαι καλή χρονιά. Hope you have a fantastic year. Σου εύχομαι καλή χρονιά. Now you try. Perhaps you want to find out, do you have any plans for New Year's Eve? Έχετε σχέδια για την παραμονή της πρωτοχρονιάς? Do you have any plans for New Year's Eve? Έχετε σχέδια για την παραμονή της πρωτοχρονιάς? Now you try. And that's how to say Happy New Year in Greek.